A little small. A lot of awesome. Don't let size fool you, Spark makes a big splash with all it has going on. With connected technologies, eye-popping style, and nimble maneuvering, this city car has all the right moves to get you where you need to go. Spark Active, kick the action up a notch. Take your adventures to the next level with the more rugged looks and additional features offered by the Spark Active trim. You and up to 3 passengers will feel right at home inside Spark. Its cushy interior features color-coordinated style, handy storage nooks and available heated leatherette seats for extra comfort.